Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about family, adventure, and making memories. I've seen a few crying babies at the airport, and let me tell you, a little preparation goes a long way. Whether you're planning a quick trip to see family or jet-setting across the globe, we've got you covered. We're talking all things baby travel, from packing like a pro to keeping your little one entertained on the go. So buckle up, because we're about to take off on a journey to make your next family trip the best one yet. Alright parents, let's get real for a second. Traveling with an infant is a whole different ballgame. You're building a mini vacation for your little VIP, and believe me, they have high expectations. First things first, before you even book that flight or pack that diaper bag, think about your baby's needs. Are they comfortable in their car seat for extended periods? What about different time zones? Consider these factors when choosing your destination and mode of transportation. Next up, let's talk about the doctor. It's always a good idea to schedule a checkup before you go, especially if your little one is very young or has any health concerns. And hey, while you're at it, why not stock up on any essential medications? You don't want to be caught in a foreign pharmacy trying to decipher labels at 2 a.m. Trust me on this one. Now, let's talk about packing. This is where the real fun begins. Stay tuned. Okay, time to channel our inner Mary Poppins, because we're about to make magic happen with this diaper bag. First things first, choose a bag that's comfortable to carry and has plenty of compartments. You're going to need all the organization you can get. Now let's talk essentials. We're talking diapers, wipes, diaper rash cream, the holy trinity of baby travel. Pack more than you think you'll need, because you never know when a diaper blowout is going to strike. And speaking of blowouts, pack extra clothes, and I mean extra. Don't forget the feeding essentials. Bottles, formula, snacks, whatever your baby needs to stay fueled up and happy. And here's a pro tip. Pack a few new toys or books to keep your little one entertained on the go. A little novelty goes a long way. Alright, so you've planned ahead, packed your bags, and you're ready to hit the road. Now let's talk about the most important thing, keeping your little one comfortable and happy during the journey. If you're flying, try to book a direct flight if possible to minimize travel time and potential disruptions. And don't be afraid to let your baby roam the aisles, when it's safe of course. If you're driving, make sure your baby's car seat is properly installed and that they're comfortable and secure. Plan for plenty of breaks to stretch your legs and let your little one burn off some energy. And don't underestimate the power of a good sing-along. No matter how you're traveling, make sure to keep your baby hydrated. Baby wearing can be incredibly soothing, both for you and your little one. It's like a warm hug on the go. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, food. Feeding your baby while traveling can seem daunting, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. With a little planning and flexibility, you've got this. If you're breastfeeding, good news, you've already packed the perfect food source. Bring a nursing cover or scarf if you're uncomfortable nursing in public, and don't be afraid to ask for a quiet space if you need it. If you're formula feeding, pre-measure formula portions into individual bags or containers for easy mixing. And don't forget to pack plenty of clean bottles and nipples. Once your little one is on solids, pack a variety of soft, easy-to-eat snacks like pouches, puffs, or chopped fruit. If you're flying, bring enough formula or breast milk for the entire journey, plus a little extra, just in case of delays. You don't want to be stuck on the tarmac with a hungry baby. We're almost at our destination, everyone. But before we arrive, let's talk about how to maintain some semblance of your baby's routine while traveling. Try to stick to your baby's usual sleep schedule as much as possible. This might mean adjusting nap times or bringing along familiar sleep cues like a white noise machine or a favorite lovey. And don't be afraid to let your baby sleep in the carrier or stroller if that's what works. Bath time is another great way to wind down at the end of a long day. If your hotel doesn't have a bathtub, a simple sponge bath will do the trick. And don't forget those bedtime stories. Even if your baby doesn't understand the words yet, the sound of your voice is incredibly soothing. The key is to be flexible and go with the flow. The most important thing is to create a calm and loving environment for your baby, wherever you are in the world. And there you have it, folks. Traveling with an infant can be an amazing adventure, full of unforgettable moments and, let's be honest, a few diaper blowouts along the way. But remember, with a little planning, flexibility, and a whole lot of love, you can create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting advice and travel tips. and be sure to share your own travel tips and stories in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.